Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're using the Summer Beach House kit, and this is available in my Etsy store, so make sure you are checking out the description to find this listing and also more new releases. Just putting down all my days of the week, and I'm covering my little dates here as well, and we are just going in with all of the days of the week. Now I'm just going in with these little heart checklists. I was actually going to put them at the top, but then you do actually see further on in the video that I do actually change it. But this is what we're doing. We're just putting down some little checklists, and I'm basically just copying and pasting the same colours for the other rows as well. Now I'm just going with some of this washi. I absolutely love the clip art in this kit. It's very summery. It's getting me really excited for the summertime, and we actually go on holiday next week as well. So next week's spread's going to be quite exciting because I've actually got a Greece Santorini kit made, and that is also available in the Etsy store. And I'm going away to Greece next week, so I'm absolutely buzzing. But yeah, I decided that I didn't actually want the checklists up here and that I was going to put all the full boxes up here, so we're just moving this about and sorting out the spread. That is what I absolutely love about digital planning, because if something doesn't look quite right, you don't have to try and unstick it from a bit of paper. All you have to do is just move it about, simple as that. So now I'm just going with some of these full boxes. The decor and the clip art in this is absolutely beautiful. It's so vibrant, summery, and just overall stunning. It's really getting me excited. It really is. I absolutely love it. So now we're just going to put this little picture here, and we're just going to start the sidebar. I just like to put some of my kind of regular stickers here, which is like my bill pays, my walking tracker, my water tracker, which I'm not really doing, let's be honest, but it's still there, and also the food and work. For me is uploading and Etsy and YouTube, TikTok, all that jazz. So I decided to actually change this up a little bit, and I really wanted to put this sticker right here, but it was taking up a bit too much room, and then there wouldn't be any room on that list for Friday. So I did crop it down, but I did like how this looked. It just looked pretty random but nice at the same time. I'm quite like that, I'm quite spontaneous, so yeah. Then we just put this little beach scene here on the other side, just to kind of even out a little bit and bring a little bit more kind of decor back into the page. Then I'm just adding some other little stickers like some movies and another full box here, and we're just putting some decor all about as well. And that is basically this kit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little plan with me. It's just a little bit something different, something nice and summery for a change. Yeah, this is this kit. I hope you guys like the spread and let me know what you think. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.